Hi, welcome back for part 2. Here I will continue from previous tutorial. In this part, I will show how to display the maximum number of items the customer can order at their state. Let's begin. We begin with a declaring variable called items here, and the maximum items we initialize to be 10 for Orchard Town. Right, good. Using the if statements, and if items is more than 0, we display on the browser, we can deliver up to the items to your states. Okay, good. Let's test our code. And if I were to type Orchard Town, click OK. Great, it works. You can deliver up to 10 items. Thank you for watching.